Hello everyone, welcome to Bing Lectures Learn SQL from Real Jobs. In this section, we are talking about pivot. When I work in college, I frequently generate student grades that in our database. The student grade table like this. That's fun. We can reorganize, rotate this table by using pivot to make it looks like a regular school transcript. Let's run the pivoting script. We got it. But our director asked me, where is the student's GPA? Sorry, I will calculate it soon. I run another calculation script. I got GPA right now. But I learned to be smarter than before. If I could put these two cards together, my dad might give me a smile. I run the third script to join these two tables together. So good, my boss liked that. We have different ways to make our jobs successful. Learning and thinking always help us. Okay, let's learn SQL from real jobs. See you next time.